Just got done going to the post office, and this came from Ukraine. It comes in this little box like this. It's pretty neat. It's the Ukrainian language on here, and wait till you see this. This is pretty awesome. It is made from a vinyl record, although it doesn't feel like it, but it is made from a vinyl record. And I guess you can say we're on time, aren't we? We're on the Backstreet Boys time. That's Backstreet Boys clock. That's a inside joke. Now you can see it, right? Backstreet Boys. That is pretty slick. I will put a link where I found this down below. This is some record from 1991. It has nothing to do with the Backstreet Boys, however. But it's just somebody that's just CNC'd this out, I believe. I can't imagine it would be laser cut. However, it might be. It's pretty neat. That's what it looks like. She doesn't know that she's getting this yet. She knows I'm getting her something, but she didn't know I'm getting her the Backstreet Boys clock. Let's put it up on the wall. So it took me a month to get this in. You can see it says from Ukraine. I thought that would be kind of neat to show you guys in the language. So it's no secret that Backstreet Boy time is always broken, right? They're always late, so yeah, that's what she looks like when it's on the wall. I have a little hanger in the back. My screw's a little long for it, but it fits like right there. And if it was a shorter screw, it'd be flush against the wall. Pretty awesome. Thanks for watching, guys. Hopefully you get one for yourself. I will see you next time.